Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to learn how to generate a random ID using Python. So this is a random ID, or this is an ID over here. So we're going to learn how to generate an ID like this, and most of the times this kind of IDs are used when you're dealing with a database in a website. So every almost okay, let's say every object in a database has an ID. So to access that object you need an ID. So we're going to learn how to generate a random ID in this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to import UUID, and now to print the random ID, we're going to say UUID dot UUID1, and we're going to run that now, and you're going to see that it's going to generate a random ID for us. So as you can see, it generated a random ID for us, and if I run that again, you're going to see another random ID. So as you can see over here. So that's it for this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and family or anybody that will find this video useful, and please, if you have a feedback or any suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section below, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.